Hey there. I'm about to show you how you can get your commercial cleaning business to the top of Google Maps and fast. And the most fun way to do this is to go and look at who's doing it bad and tell you why they're doing it bad so that you can do it better. So let's jump in it. The first thing I'm going to do is type in commercial cleaning service in Austin because that's what 90% of people are doing. You heard it right. 90% of people are looking for commercial cleaning services by going to Google, or they're going to Google Maps, which is what we are looking at here. Now, there's a couple things to keep in mind that I bet you the business that we look at later did not do right. And what I want to show you is what Google cares about so that you can create your profile based on what you know works, right? There's no reason to waste time doing things that don't work. So let me show you what Google cares about. And the first thing that Google cares about when they're picking what businesses to show at the top of searches like this is how many 5-star reviews they have. So you can easily see here that the top result has 4.9 stars. The second one has 4.7 stars. The third one has 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars. You get the point. If you want to show up in the top of the local search results, you need to have tons of great reviews. And I'm going to show you a really cool way that you can do that. There is a company called Merchant that gives commercial cleaning services a way to ask for 5-star reviews. And if their customer is going to leave a bad review, it will get sent to their email instead. It's the easiest way that you can ask your customers for a review without having to worry they're going to give you a bad one, and only get 5-star reviews every single day as you help more customers. So let me show you what this tool looks like. If you are done helping one of your customers, or you're done cleaning their office or their house or whatever it might be, what you can do is send them a link that this company Merchant will give you, and I'll give you a link to them in the bottom. And the way this works is if your customer gets this and they click and say that their experience with you was okay or bad, you'll see they're going to ask you to leave an email instead so that they do not leave a bad review online. Now, if I was to click on excellent or good as that customer after you were done cleaning, you would see that it's going to bring the user straight to your Google business profile so that I can very easily leave that 5-star review. And this is amazing. This is how you can get 5-star reviews from all of your customers without worrying about getting any negative ones. And this is how you can show up at the top of the search results. Oh yeah, that's what we call a hot tip. You want more hot tips like that? Then like this video and click subscribe and turn on those notifications. All right, let's get back to it. There's also other ways that you can get reviews if you don't want to text your customers. Instead, you can have a QR code like this one, which you can ask your customers to scan, which will bring them to this same tool to ask them how their experience was. Again, making it super easy for you to get more reviews. Now, the next thing that Google's looking at when they're ranking their business is what services did you put into your Google profile when you created it? Here we can see Google knows that they perform commercial janitorial services. And they know this because the business took the time to add it to their Google profile. Okay, let's keep looking. The next thing that we're going to spot is that Google cares a lot about what their website says. They're actually showing this profile closer to the top because their website mentions that they are a commercial cleaning company. So you need to make sure that if commercial cleaning service and commercial cleaning company are keywords that you're trying to target, and you should be, that you include these keywords on your website also, because Google is looking at your website and seeing if it matches the information on your Google business profile. The other things that Google will check to make sure are the same are things like your website, your phone number, and your address if you have one. So make sure that you have the same information on your Google profile that you do on your website. Now, what I want to do is jump over to a page that is probably never going to be seen. And I'm going to point out why they did a bad job creating their profile. So I don't know these people. I hope you don't know them. I'm going to show you why they have a bad profile. Okay, real fast, you can see they did not add an image. That is a fail because it just makes them look unprofessional and makes this page look not friendly. The next thing, they did not put a website. Always add a website, even if it's the free Google business website. Okay? The next thing is they did not ask any questions and answer them. This is a little known thing with Google, but you can actually ask a question for your own business and then answer it. So if you're targeting the keyword commercial cleaning in Austin, you should ask a question like, hey, do you offer commercial cleaning services in Austin? And then when you post this, you'll then have the ability to answer it and say, yes, we do provide commercial cleaning services in Austin. And Google is going to look at that, and Google is going to now rank you for those keywords. The next thing to point out is that they have no reviews. Again, they should have used a tool like this to get tons of 5-star reviews. That way they can get off of the 8th page. Here, you can see, well, you can't see, but they didn't even do a description for their business. If we go back to the first page, I bet you I can find you a good example of a business description. So what they should have done was let Google know everything about their business. So here we can see that they're including things like their primary keyword, including clean, janitorial management, commercial cleaning in Austin, commercial cleaning, janitorial services, carpet cleaning, and more. So they wrote a great description because they put all their keywords in that they're trying to rank for, and they mentioned their city. So they are going to get a lot of customers because they just informed Google what it is that they're doing. Don't be the business that just writes something like, we've been in business for over 25 years. Take the time and go and write a full description that uses all of your keywords. The next thing that I want to point out that makes these guys great is that they take the time to write Google business posts. That's what you're seeing right here. Google business posts are good at helping you get more than one keyword. So this business's primary keyword that they're ranking for is commercial cleaning service in Austin. But by doing this also, they're going to rank for the keywords like day porters and janitorial service and eco-friendly commercial cleaning. So by doing these posts, they're able to expand the number of keywords that they're going to show up for. Because if I now change this keyword to say best cleaning service in Austin, you're going to see that it is an entirely different set of businesses that are showing up here. And Google is ranking these based on what people put on those profiles and what people are leaving in their reviews. For example, you can see the keyword that I used was best cleaning service in Austin, and here you can see the keywords best clean Austin. Wow. All that you need to do is give Google the information that they need to show you to people looking for your service, and they will put you at the top and you will get way more customers than you ever thought. If you're on the first page of Google at the top, you're going to get 10 times more customers than if you're on the bottom of the first page. The importance of getting to the top of Google is huge for your business. So if you want to learn more about how you can work with professionals to automate this, then click on the link below in the description and let's explode your business. Wow! I had a blast making that video. I hope you learned some awesome stuff. I'm going to start posting videos all the time, so if you want to get free tips on how you can get your business to the top of Google Maps and Google search results, then like this video and click that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. These videos take so long. And if you want to learn more information about any of our partners that can help you get your business to the top in local search results, then check out the descriptions below. Thanks for watching.